What if we push the launch back another week?
You've been saying that for the last 2 months. We're launching tonight.
I don't know.
Well, I do. And that's why you hired me, is to make decisions for you. Just remember, I'm doing this because I love you.
Yeah, it is a little eerie that an app can know so much about you just by tapping into your social media.
True, but I mean, we don't know if the algorithm will be able to predict if we'll be good friends or something more.
Tommy, the downloads have been doubling for weeks. If this keeps up, you're gonna have to hire someone to manage the emails.
Wow, we really are getting noticed.
Have you used the Connexus app?
Connexus? Yeah, I downloaded that yesterday.
I want you to do a little research for me.
Research as in you want me to find out if we should buy them before they realize how much they're worth?
Exactly.
You have not changed a bit since college. I guess that's what I like about you.
So cold.
I don't care if you want to waste your time with some girl that broke your heart in college. However, you owe it to yourself and to me to see this project all the way through.
Did you know 99% of startups like yours fail when they try to expand too fast into multi-million-dollar markets?
Is that true?
You know, I really don't know why this is such a hard decision for you.
What would you do?
You know what I would do. I'd cash in.
About you throwing away everything we've built for some girl you don't even know, for a life you don't even want.